Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to order items on Sephora. First of all, open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and just type in www.sephora.com and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official website of Sephora. And guys, first of all, log into your account as I have already logged in. On the home screen, you'll be able to see the categories and to order an item like new brands, makeup, skincare, hair, fragrance, tools and brushes and so on. For now, I'm going for the makeup. Tap on it. See over here you'll be able to see all the makeup products. For now I want to order this product. Just tap on it and scroll down a bit. At the right side you'll be able to see the red button. Over here just tap on it. You can order max 10 items at once. For now I'm going for one and just tap on the add to basket. Now guys, from over here you can continue shopping by clicking on continue shopping button. For now I just want this product, so click on the view basket and the checkout. Now at the right side you will be able to see the checkout. Just click on the checkout. Now guys, over here you just need to add your shipping address. And once you do that, just click on save and continue option. Just click on set as default shipping address for further use and hit on the save and continue option. And once you do that, just scroll down a bit. Over here you just need to fulfill the payment methods and hit on save and continue button. Once you do that, you'll be able to click on the place order option. That's how you can order the item from Sephora. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.